Ever wondered how those crystal clear acrylic sheets and signs are actually made? Let me build it step by step. Step 1. Make the monomer. The hero molecule is MMA, methyl methacrylate. Factories start with basic petrochemicals. Think propylene ethylene, then upgrade them through a few reactions to create MMA. Different routes exist, but the goal's the same. A super pure, colorless liquid that's ready to snap together into long chains. Step 2. Purify and prep. That MMA gets distilled until it's squeaky clean. Then tiny doses of inhibitors keep it from reacting too soon, and initiators are staged for later to kick off polymerisation on command. Step 3. Choose your path. Cast or extruded. Cell cast. Pour MMA between two polished glass plates with a gasket. Extruded. First make acrylic pellets, then melt and push them through a flat die into sheets. Step 4. Polymerize. Add the initiator, warm it up, and boom! Free radical chain reaction. Monomers lock arms into PMMA, generating heat, so factories control temperature with water baths and slow, even heating. Step 5. Cure and cool. For cast sheets, the liquid turns into a solid plate while clamped between glass. Then it's cooled, released, trimmed, and often annealed to relax internal stress. Extruded sheets get cooled on precision rollers for smooth thickness. Step 6. Finish and customize. Mix in colorants. UV stabilizers, diffusers for signage and lighting. Sheets get cut, drilled, laser cut, thermoformed, polished to that showroom sparkle. Why 2 methods? Cast acrylic has top-tier optical clarity, better chemical resistance, and machines beautifully. Great for aquariums and premium displays. Extruded acrylic nails consistent thickness and cost efficiency. Perfect for everyday glazing and signs. Final stop, quality checks, thickness haze, impact optical tests. Before it ships out to become windows, light panels, instrument covers, art, and more. That's acrylic. Start with MMA, control the chain reaction, shape it, and dial in the finish. Simple idea, precise execution, insanely useful.